Here's how to start an activity on Google Fit. So if you're using the Google Fit app and you want to start an activity, it's quite easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to do so in this video. Now, before we get started, you want to make sure that some settings are enabled to make sure that Google Fit properly tracks your activity. To do this, tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner of your screen. And on the profile page, you'll find the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this and you want to scroll till you find tracking preferences. You want to make sure that track your activity and use your location is toggled on. The next step, you want to make sure your location service is turned on. On your device, you can go ahead and turn on the location service. Once the location service is turned on, it's now time for you to start the activity. There are two ways you can do this. You can tap on the plus icon in this section and you see track workout. Tap on this and this will take you to start an activity. By default, pace walking is set as the default activity. And depending on the type of activity you are carrying out, the customization on this page may differ. For pace walking, you can increase and reduce your pace in this section. And if you want to change the activity type, you can tap on the drop down in this section. And you'll find tons of activities that you can perform using the Google Fit app. You can also still get here when you scroll down to the section where you see try pace walking. Tap on this and this will take you to start an activity. Once you've selected the activity type and ready to start the activity, tap on the play icon and this will start the countdown. If you've enabled those settings I've shown earlier, you see the map preview section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now when you tap on this will show you the map of the area you are covering or you have covered. You can pause, continue the activity, or end an activity. Once an activity has been concluded, it will be saved and added to your journal section with the numbers of heart points and steps you've acquired and other information on this page. Now when you go back, you see that the activity will be updated. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on.